Have you ever said, "One day I'll start," and then never started? Yeah, same here. Even my plants are waiting for me to get my life together. Mark Twain once said, "The secret of getting ahead is getting started." And he's right. No rocket science, no magic wand, just start. You don't have to know all the steps. You don't need a 10-year plan with color-coded tabs. Want to write a book? Start with one messy, terrible sentence. Want to get fit? Just walk around the block, even if it's to chase your dog. Want to change your life? Start with one choice today that future you would high-five you for. The truth is, you don't have to be great to start, but you do have to start to be great. So go on. Press play on your life, even if it's just the trailer version today.